Hello and welcome to the One More Black Friday Cyber Monday deals happening right now at One More. 52% off, the biggest sale of the year. Free shipping on everything from November 18 to December 1st. Here are the deals. 35% off on the Quad Driver, one of the best earphones on the market. 20% off on the Triple Driver and 28% off on the Dual Driver. Let's see what else they got. Some bigger savings here. 45% off on wireless earbuds and 41% off on a lower end earbud, and a measly 13% off on these ones. Colorbud 2. Let's continue. 52% off on the Piston Fit for $20. A quick scroll down to see more deals. 52% off on these Piston Buds. 33% here, 20% here, and a 50% off on these gaming VRX headphones and portable speaker. 37% off. Okay, so the cheapest deal for One More right now is the Piston Fit BT. Let's check it out. Almost a perfect 5-star ratings for these Bluetooth in-ear headphones. That's amazing quality for a very cheap price. Okay, I'll leave the link to this page for you guys to check out all of these One More headphones and One More audio deals. Thanks so much for viewing and happy shopping.